My name is Malay Shay. I am an executive director with EY, leading technology, media, telecom, and IT GIC practice for India as a market. Looking at transforming at a speed obviously have certain amount of market pressure, the reason why they need to look at speed as an important element. And when we look at those transformation, obviously those transformation has multiple elements, including technology, elements around people, elements around processes. But specifically when it comes to technology, what we have found is that's the one area which takes the longest. And if we can get our arms around, what are the issues with the current technology, how will the technology really help in the to-be state that the client is looking for transformation, I think it gives us a massive amount of advantage in those client transformation projects. So a solution to that is really getting our arms around the technology, and if we can use technology itself to do an assessment on technology, I think that's the best that we can do for our clients. EY has always done engagements around application portfolio assessments, application portfolio rationalization or modernization. And as part of those engagements, again, this exercises used to be a pen and paper exercise that we traditionally used to do, where we would spend enormous amount of time interviewing client experts, both on the functional side as well as on the technical side. And with CAST, it allows us to get that insight, which is a lot more granular in nature, which is a lot more faster, and it's all technology enabled. And with that data, client also will have that reference base for them to really compare how their application portfolio is improving over a period of time. So I think that's where CAST is really helping us on some of our large scale application portfolio modernization exercises that we are doing in the market. It's a wave that has caught us over the last few years, and again, the wave has been so large that we are even finding it hard to define what the digital really means to us. But what we really believe is all this technology is really coming together, I think, and that wave is just going to continue, where there is massive amount of digitalization which is going to happen, let's say by 2025, where everything right from the way we run our cars to the way we run our homes, etc., will all be digitally enabled. And I think that's that singularity that we are all talking about, which is the coming of this technology, but it will require a lot of hard work. The technologies have to talk to each other, they have to interact with each other, they have to provide the meaningful insights, they have to provide insights which are real time. And I think that's the work that all of us as advisors, as system integrators, service providers will have to do to be able to realize that vision, which will make life easier, hopefully, for all of us.